California Car Duster Platinum Detailing Kit includes three popular items to maintain your vehicle's appearance. It includes a California Car Duster, Mini Duster, and Golden Shine Quick Shine Instant Detail Spray. Use the original style California Car Duster with the wood handle to maintain your vehicle's exterior. It will remove light daily dust from your vehicle's painted, glass, chrome, and plastic surfaces without scratching. Extend the time in between car washes, which can save you time, money, and natural resources. The California Mini Duster will keep your dashboard, center console, door panels, and more dust-free. The California Car Duster has a cotton mop and wax-treated cotton fibers that lift and remove dust. The California Mini Duster can also be used on motorcycles, power sports, and home furnishings. Clean and add shine to your vehicle's paint with the Golden Shine Quick Shine Detail Spray. Simply spray and buff away with soft microfiber towels. Use Quick Shine in between car washes to maintain your vehicle's freshly washed look.